Hi, boys and girls. So today for math, we are going to be moving on to what we call word problems. And word problems can be tricky because it involves reading. And reading can be tricky for some of us. However, don't worry, you can ask for help, okay? If you need help reading these, Miss Ladd can help you whenever we have our one-on-one meetings. Or maybe mom and dad can help you try reading them. Older brother and sister, maybe someone can help you read these problems if they're a little too difficult. Just know, boys and girls, these are all addition problems. So it says it right here. Addition word problems, so that we know that we're going to be adding. Adding means two lines, means two pictures. So we've learned a couple strategies so far. We've learned how to make a 10. We've learned how to add tens and ones together, but we know that we need to draw quick pictures. That's the most important thing. So first things first is you need to know the page is P151, okay? Again, if you need help reading these, Miss Ladd can always help you, mom and dad, older brother and sister. Alrighty, let's get started. I'm going to do the first two and then you'll do the rest, okay? So it says Dale saved 19 pennies. So I have to think, what are some important things in this problem that I should underline? Well, I think these 19 pennies is important, so I'm going to underline that just so I know. Then he found 5 more pennies. Okay, so he found some. That means that he added more. Okay, so 5 more. I'm going to underline that. Now I have to really listen to what is it asking me. How many pennies does Dale have now? So they're asking me, after he found those 5 more pennies, how much does he have now? So he had 19 to start with, so I know I'm going to add 5 more. So I'm going to start over here with my quick picture. I'm going to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then I'm going to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can solve this many different ways. You can just count the 10 and count all the ones. You could make a 10. So it's up to you. I'm going to make a 10 because that's what's easy for me. If just saying 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and keep counting on, that's easy for you, that's fine. So I'm going to try making the 10. I'm going to go 10. I know this is 10, but I'm going to count my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I know this made a 10 here. And I could redraw. So I'm going to go remove this 10, redraw it over here, move this one over here, and add my 4 ones, redraw them. So now I see that I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there's 24 pennies. So right here, I'm going to say, I'm going to write 24 and then kind of copy it right here. Pennies, 24, and then pennies. So pretty much what you're doing is you're just writing your answer right here, okay? So that is what I'm doing there. Next one says, Gene has 10 fish, okay? So he has 10 fish, or she. She gets 4 more. Oh, more. Okay, so 4 more. How many fish does she have now? Well, I know more. That means that I'm going to be adding those 4 to the 10. I know that this is 10, and then 4 more is going to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 fish. So right here, I'm going to write 14 fish. Okay? So that's all you're doing. These are word problems. You read the word problem, underline the important parts that you might need in order to solve the problem, and then solve it however you feel. Maybe you're going to make a 10. Maybe you'll just draw the quick picture and count. It's up to you. All right, boys and girls, please snap a picture of the front and the back of it in order to turn it in on Seesaw. I'll see you next time.